Good morning, traders. Hope you are well. This is your early morning briefing from the tradingmentors.com. This is Chris. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. It's early. It's 6:18 here in the UK. So we're up early to see what's happening with gold. And it's pulling back from 208, currently 1998. So the psychological level of 2000 has been broken. I'm going to, if you have a look at this here, I've moved my stop to below the 50-day moving average. I'm just going to pop into the gold on steroids in a minute to explain what's going on. We have a small downtrend going on the stochastic. The price has fallen below the 50 on the RSI, so that indicates further downside momentum is likely. However, of course, while it's above the 50-day moving average, this means that the buyers are getting ready to go up. This is a bit of a dilemma in that, do you take your money out or you just let it ride? Often, as you've probably seen, I don't do much with it. I just let it ride. In this moment, I think because of low volumes, I'm going to take it off the table. 58,170. So this is the gold on steroids software. If you don't have it, then consider getting it, because it will make a massive difference to your performance, especially if you're going into be funded. Many of you are. So this is a good bit of kit to actually tell you when to buy and when to sell. Now this is our position which we put on a few days ago, last week. And so therefore the price didn't quite reach target of 2015. It did reach our first target of 204. Congratulations if you had that target. But now we can see the price, and we've got a sell signal below the black line. This indicates further weakness is likely. But now look at the stochastics becoming very, very overbought. It doesn't mean to say it's a buy yet. It is definitely not. That's why I took my profits off the table. And as we can see on the 5-minute chart, what we want to see is this scenario here. While the price is moving up and all the charts are green or green, then of course we are buying. At the moment, the sellers are in, but as I said, it's above the 50-day moving average. So it indicates that further upside momentum is likely. And of course, you don't want to be selling while the stochastics are oversold, because there could be a big spike. All of a sudden it just shoots up, and that's what we're expecting. So I'm going to put an alert on this sell signal. So when we get a buy, I'll throw that into the signal room. So we have a separate gold on steroids signal room, and I will be doing the calculations like here. And here, and here, and here. There's a few, so that you can get into the position and get the big move. If it's going to break up, we will be in it, don't worry. So gold is currently drifting down, but definitely not a sell yet. So let me go through the parabolic trends for you. Bitcoin, you should be long. All charts agree, everything green, all the buyers in. Silver, you should be long, everything's green, all the charts agree. You're going to get a little bit of a pullback in the next few hours due to low volume, but nonetheless, further upside momentum is likely to $24.69. Gold, of course, is still parabolic to the upside, even though we're having a correction this morning. Let's look at the US 30. Yep, still okay. Still holding on to a parabolic downtrend, even though it's pulling back as we speak. Aussie 200 index still all red. UK FTSE 100 still red, falling. DAX still red, holding on to market structure. S&P 500 holding on to market structure. So as long as all charts agree, you can use the daily and the 4-hour, but just check on your hour just to make sure, or the 2-hour, just to make sure that you're in the right direction for the whole. US Canadian Still market structure to the upside, so we're looking for a buy on this. Once I get a buy, I'll let you know. Pound Canadian, yeah, that looks good. Actually, we've got a nice swing low there, so you can buy it now if you wish. I'll be doing a full analysis for members this afternoon, of course. Something like that. Euro Canadian, very similar. Swing low. Something like that. Now, Pound New Zealand. This is what it looks like once you have change of character. So notice the 1 hour chart and the 4 hours still intact. That's fine. We're probably going to get another buy in the next few hours. And all the buys are in on the daily as well. But look at that there. So I'm no longer in that. This is now orange, getting ready. Aussie New Zealand, still intact, a better trade. So onwards and upwards for the Aussie New Zealand. But as I mentioned previously, you want to look out for that on the left. Euro New Zealand, still intact. So that is still valid, but going against us at the moment. So Euro New Zealand to the upside. Pound New Zealand waiting for a break of structure. I'll be dealing with something this afternoon for members regarding signals, which is really important update. So look out for that. There's going to be 3 types of signals: a break of structure signal, a change of character signal, and then a swing trading signal as well. So we've been improving all the time the signal service. So Pound Canadian to the upside, Euro Canadian to the upside, yep. US Canadian to the upside, gold to the upside, silver to the upside, still intact, going against us slightly, but not much, and so on. So have a wonderful morning, and I'll see members this afternoon.